this video, we will show you how to make a server on Discord. In here, we are using Discord for desktop app. First, after you log in, you can click plus sign in here and add a server. You can create your own or you can select the category. For example, I'm using artists and creators. Choose for a club or community. For example, this is a blogger, and we can click create, and we can also select. Okay, this is, I'm not using blogger, but let's try to using our channel using our Nosware, and click create. Then we can invite our friends and personalize our server or channel in here. Okay, and we will continue using a tutorial for Discord. We can also delete server or channel here. Hope this video helpful.